Hello everyone, I am here today with a delicious tiramisu tutorial that takes only an hour to make. So stay with me through the whole video. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: cream 200 grams, cream cheese 200 grams, sugar 1 glass, coffee powder 3 teaspoons, cocoa powder for decoration, boiling water 1 glass, biscuits 500 grams. First, I pour the coffee into a glass of boiling water. Pour the cheese and sugar into the bowl and mix them together with a mixer. When it's well mixed, I gather the ingredients to the center of the bowl with a spatula. Then I add the cream to it. Remember, your cream should have between 30 to 36% fat in order to get a good shape for the cake. You can see that our ingredients are well formed and the effect of the stirrer on the cream is engraved. Now put the condensed and cooled coffee into the container. Now I put the biscuits in the coffee to get wet. Then I put them on the bottom of the desired dish. Remember not to keep the biscuits in the coffee too much to soften them, because in that case the tiramisu cake will become doughy. Now it's the turn of tiramisu liquid. Pour a layer of liquid tiramisu half a centimeter thick on the biscuits. I will continue to do this until the end. A layer of coffee-soaked biscuits, a layer of tiramisu liquid. Remember that last layer of tiramisu is cream. Now I smooth it around with a spatula and I decorate it. Now I sprinkle cocoa powder on the cake. I stick the biscuits all around the cake. Put this attractive cake in the refrigerator and eat it after 6 hours. Tiramisu is one of those desserts that the more it stays in the refrigerator, the more delicious. That's why I usually put it in the refrigerator overnight until morning. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Finally, if you enjoyed this tutorial, like this video and write your comments in the comment section. This is an attractive and very easy tiramisu cake. Hope you make and enjoy it. Hope to see you again.